My name is Eileen. I have a coaching business. It's called coachingwitheileen.com. I help people to get out of their own way so they can leap forward with enthusiasm and get the very things that they want in their life. So before I attended this masterclass, I was overwhelmed with how to kind of support and expand my business with using technology. So I've heard of lead pages, click funnels and all this stuff, and didn't have a clue of what to do, and personally I've just been avoiding it. I think this masterclass is going to help me change my business, because while during the class I was able to just sit down and actually do some of the work, because online courses particularly don't personally work for me. So straight away now I feel really certain on, I know how to use that, I know what I can do, and I also know I've got support, so I can go back to James and ask him if I am, overwhelmed by it all when I return home. The main thing I learned in this course on what is a lead magnet, what is a micro purchase, and sort of getting really clear on the journey that I can take my clients with me. Most definitely the biggest benefit is getting instant help. I think I've asked about 100 questions to James at every lunch hours and breaks, just really kept just getting that advice. He's an expert, and it's just able to just bombard him and get the answers. So I found that the biggest benefit of all. The reasons for me why I'd recommend this program to somebody else: if you're a person that is sitting at home knowing you want to take the next step, knowing that you could be doing more, however just gets confused with what to do first and in what order, then this is definitely for you. Especially if you like to learn being around other people and having that real human touch, then it's a must. James is just a top guy. He's very genuine, and he's got a lot of passion. And you can really feel that he really cares about your business, and he really wants you to do well. He's shouting for you, and that's really nice to feel that.